Reema Khan is an amazing entertainer, stage artist, chief and maker who has built up her name by non-stop handwork and battle. She was presented by the movie chief Javed Fazil, who offered her driving function in his film Bulandi. She has worked in excess of 200 movies, and for her commitment, she got Pride of Performance in 2019. Her genuine name is Reema Khan. She was conceived on October 27, 1971, in Lahore, Punjab, Pakistan. However, she experienced childhood in Multan. The magnificent young lady got her initial instruction from a main community school of Multan. She took in the Heavenly Quran at an early age. She was acceptable at extracurricular exercises since her youth. She was likewise a competitor. She wedded a Pakistani-American cardiologist, Tariq Shahab, in November 2011. In 2015, Reema Khan brought forth her first youngster, Ali Shahab.
Thanks for watching.